Hello, today we will guide you through how to add someone to a channel in Slack. Let's start by opening Slack and navigating to the channel where you want to add a person. Look over to the sidebar on the left and find the channel name. If your list is long, scroll through or use the search field at the top to quickly locate it. Make sure you've selected the correct channel, especially if your workspace has similar names for different teams or projects. Once you've found the channel in the sidebar, move your cursor over its name and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options designed to help you manage the channel. From this menu, choose View Channel Details. This will open a panel with information and settings specific to that channel, which is exactly where you need to be to manage members. In the Channel Details panel, select the Members section. Here you can see who's already in the channel, along with their roles. This is a good moment to confirm that the person you want to add isn't already listed, and to ensure you have the right permissions to add people. In some workspaces, only channel owners or admins can add members, particularly for private channels. Now click Add People. A prompt will appear where you can specify who to bring into the conversation. In the field provided, type the person's email address or start typing their name if they're already part of your Slack workspace. Slack will suggest matches as you type, helping you pick the right person. You can add multiple people by entering them one after another. After you've entered the details, click Add. Slack will add them immediately if they're already in the workspace and the channel is public, or send an invitation if approval is required or the channel is private. If your organization restricts invitations, you may see a notice that an admin needs to approve. That's normal and depends on workspace settings. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option to add people, you might not have the necessary permissions, so consider asking a channel owner to add them for you. Double check that you're adding the right account, especially if colleagues have similar names. And remember, bringing someone into a channel gives them access to its message history based on your workspace's retention and privacy settings. That's it. You've successfully added someone to a Slack channel using the Channel Details panel. Thanks for following along.